Hey everyone! Welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll quickly show you how to add photos to frames in Canva. First of all, open the Canva app on your device. Click on Elements. In the search bar inside Elements, type Frame. You will see many frame options appear. Select the frame you want to use by clicking on it. Now click on Uploads to add your own images. Optional. Then go back to Elements again and search for portrait photos. A lot of portrait-style photos will appear. Choose the photo you like. Drag and drop the selected photo into the frame you added earlier. Adjust and set the photo properly inside the frame. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.